Israel is set to become the first country to roll out a fourth dose of the COVID-19 vaccine. Meanwhile, an exquisitely preserved dinosaur embryo has been discovered in China. These and other stories in tonight's foreign news roundup by Balita.
Tech company Apple has pledged to help the Philippines and Malaysia following the onslaught of Typhoon Odette with international name Rai. In a Twitter post, Apple's chief executive officer Tim Cook said Typhoon Rai has caused so much devastation in the Philippines and Malaysia, so his company will be contributing to relief, recovery, and rebuilding efforts of the two Asian countries. Israel could be the first country to offer a fourth vaccine dose to its population. A government panel of experts recommended a fourth dose to healthcare workers and people aged over 60 years old. Prime Minister Naftali Bennett welcomed the move, saying it would help the country get through a potential wave of the Omicron variant. As of now, 341 cases of the new variant have been detected in Israel. Meanwhile, scientists discovered a perfectly preserved dinosaur embryo in Jiangxi province in southern China. Researchers estimate it is at least 66 million years old. This illustration, released by Lida Xing and University of Birmingham, shows a rendition of an embryo that was preparing to hatch from its egg, just like a chicken. Scientists said this is one of the best dinosaur embryos ever found in history. Meg Luna for The Nation.